Ladies and gentlemen, I am Major General Bhaskar Chakravarti. I am the Director Admissions. On behalf of Honorable Founder President, the Chancellor and Vice Chancellor, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the Amity campus. I take it that you had a good round of the campus, and with your coming, the weather has also improved slightly. And so let's take the proceedings further. We have amongst us Dr. Gurinder Singh. He is the Group Vice Chancellor, and he is also the Director General of Amity International Business School. He's been there with Amity right from its inception and one of the pillars of Amity. He also heads the Greater Noida campus, and he is the architect of all the articulation arrangement that we have with other foreign universities. So we couldn't have asked for somebody more eminently suitable to make the opening remark today. May I therefore request Dr. Gurinder Singh to kindly take the podium, please.
Thank you, General Chakravarti, and very warm welcome to all the parents, guardians, and I can see a few candidates also sitting here. At Amity, we have this tradition that before a student picks up a course, we have an interaction with the parents, because we feel that it's very important to speak to those who have invested their life into the lives of their children. So I think that your queries, your questions are very, very important, and I understand that in this hall there are parents from across India. So if you have any questions related with any of the programs that I have been given to understand that today they are mainly from two courses, on law and from fashion. We have majority of the parents, but if you have from any other courses, you can ask those questions, and our very learned directors, deans, they will be very happy to answer your queries. You can even speak in Hindi, you can ask questions in Hindi also. आप हिंदी में भी सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, और आपके जो भी प्रश्न हों, जो भी क्वेश्चंस हों, बेझिझक पूछिए, and we will be able to answer those questions. While I was entering into the hall in the morning, there were a number of questions which some of the parents asked us. There were few of our alumni who met me in the morning, and they were also asking few questions. And I was not able to reply to those questions because we had some other commitments also, and I requested each one of you to be patient and to come in the hall where we would like to speak to you. We have kept a presentation which my colleague General Chakravarti will be giving, but I think 2-3 questions which most of the parents they were asking us was that what is special at Amity and how this university is different from the other university. So I will be speaking, I will be touching on it, that how we are different and what we are. And second question which most of the parents they were asking were that where the students will be placed. तो हर एक के दिमाग में एक ये सवाल था कि प्लेसमेंट्स बच्चों को इस यूनिवर्सिटी से कहाँ पे मिलती हैं और बच्चे कहाँ पे जाते हैं. और एक तीसरा सवाल, the third question which most of the parents they were asking, that what is the learning pedagogy which we follow at Amity institution. So I'm going to touch basically these 3 questions and the philosophy of Amity, which are very worthy founder has propagated not only in India but across the world. First of all, the first question first is, what is Amity? We say that Amity is not a university. Amity is not an institution. For us, Amity is a religion. It is indeed a religion for us. Right? I remember that when Amity was being formed, Dr. Chauhan, who for many decades was in Europe and has traveled very widely in the whole world, he used to have a brainstorming session with the leading academicians of the world, from America, from Germany, from UK, and also with few of the academics from India. And we used to have this session almost every day. And he used to ask one question to everyone. He used to listen to everyone, but he used to ask one question at the end. Why is it so Why is it so that Indian in India is not successful, but Indian outside India is very successful? ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हिंदुस्तानी हिंदुस्तान में ही सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता, लेकिन हिंदुस्तानी हिंदुस्तान से बाहर जाके बहुत सक्सेसफुल होता है? This was his question, because himself he was staying abroad for many decades and became a billionaire, and wanted to come, wanted to invest in the education sector, wanted to create a world-class university. So this was his question, and very few used to reply. And we all used to brainstorm that why is it so? Why are children, they want to go abroad only? Right? If you ask a choice and you give a choice to the students that where you like to settle, very few will like to settle in India. Most of them, they will like to do their post-graduation, their doctorate, or their graduation abroad, if you give them a chance. Everyone wants to go to Ivy League. Everyone wants to go to the good institutions abroad. Why is it that they don't want to study in India? Why is it so? And you compare it with the actual performance of the Indians. अगर बाहर के लोग इतने अच्छे होते तो सारे फिर उनके पास पोजीशंस होनी चाहिए थी. But if you look at the data, Fortune 500 companies, which is the dream company of every youngster, where they want to work. जो संसार की बेहतरीन कंपनीज हैं, 500 कंपनीज जिसमें सारे बच्चे काम करना चाहते हैं. If you look at them, तो 37%, 37% जो हैं वो उसमें आपको नज़र आएगा कि वो भारतीय Indians are at the position of authority. So if 37% of the Indians, they are controlling Fortune 500 companies, they are at the position of authority at a CEO level, at a president level, at a vice president level, must be something special in India, must be something special in our blood, right? If you look at all the universities, and I can say this with authority, right, because we communicate with them on daily basis. If you look at all Ivy Leagues, you will find that more than 30% of the academicians across globe, right, they belong to Indian origin. Harvard Business School, Dean is Indian. Cornell Dean, Indian. Princeton, Carnegie Mellon, Yale, Ivy League, you name an Ivy League, you name Russell Group of University, and you will find the top academicians there, top researchers, top teachers, they are from the Indian origin. You go to Silicon Valley, and you will find the most expensive houses in San Francisco. Either they are of Indians or of Chinese. So if Indians are doing so well, remarkably well, right, if they have done so well abroad, if they have done so well in Germany, if they have done so well in UK, if they have done so well in Australia, why is it so that they are not able to create a destiny in their own country? कहीं कुछ हमारे से तो गलती नहीं होगी. As parents, are we able to understand them? Are we able to give them right environment? Are we able to understand that the world is changing? तो हमारी education भी change होनी चाहिए कि ऐसा गलती तो नहीं हो रही हमारे से. हमारे बच्चे हंसते क्यों नहीं? हमारे parents क्यों नहीं हंसते? नाराज क्यों नहीं? हमारे बच्चों में confidence क्यों नहीं है? Why they are not having confidence? हमारे parents को शिकायत ही क्यों रहती है बच्चों से हमेशा? I do lot of counseling, and my life has gone. 2 ही काम किए, या पढ़ा हूँ या पढ़ाया, या institutions बनाए हैं, लोगों से बात की. तो बहुत सारे बच्चे उनसे बात करते हैं. So many times we feel that 70% of our parents, they are depressed. ये दुखी हैं, किसी न किसी कारण से दुखी रहते हैं. क्यों दुखी हैं ये पता ही नहीं लगता. तो कोई कहता है मेरा बच्चा मैथमेटिक्स में बड़ा वीक है. Dr. Singh, you are a mathematician. Can you help my daughter to get 100 out of 100? तो फिर उसको पढ़ाना पड़ता है कि 100 में से 100 नंबर कैसे लेके आए. वो छोटा सा बच्चा ऐनक डाल के बैठा हुआ है एक ब्लैक टी शर्ट में आपके साथ. तो आपकी मदर कह रही है कि इसके 100 नंबर आने चाहिए. ये कहती है ना, कहती है, राइट. तो हमारे बच्चे फुटबॉल ही नहीं खेलते जो है, और अगर खेलते हैं तो उनको छुड़वा देते हैं कि मत खेलो, नंबर कम आ जाएंगे. तो हमारे पास वर्ल्ड कप नहीं आया कभी फुटबॉल का. आई डोंट नो. And we are a great country, we are a great nation, बहुत अच्छे players हैं हमारे पास. But somehow we have not been able to get the World Cup. हमारी टीम ही नहीं पहुंचती फुटबॉल में. तो हमारी expectation तो आपके बेटे से है that he should play well, he should look well. He is 13, 14. Good. Very good. I'm sure, because you're a good mother, you are smiling. But what I want is that I want my country to be strong. And there has been a research which shows that if you're good in sports, right, you will be very good economically also. You can see that the country who's at the top of the league in Olympics is normally doing very well economically also. History shows, 200 साल की हिस्ट्री उठाइए और आपको पता लगेगा कि जो कंट्री स्पोर्ट्स में बड़ी अच्छी होती है वो इकोनॉमिक्स में बड़ी अच्छी होती है, पर हमारे लोग समझ ही नहीं पाते. So we wanted, and Dr. Chauhan wanted to create a university which is able to understand the psychology of the students, which should be able to give that kind of environment where we can create Fortune 500 companies, where we should come in the top 50 universities of the world, where people from abroad should come to us. So with that vision, our founder, Dr. Chauhan, he came to India and he started this group. And we feel so proud today that MIT is amongst those universities, which is today amongst the top universities, which has got highest QS ranking, right, which is the best private university as per the government ranking system, which is into the Times Higher Education System, we have got a ranking, which has got 15 universities worldwide. 15 foreign campuses हैं हम लोगों के और 8 universities हैं. General Chakravarti will give you detailed presentation about it. We feel very happy. We feel happy that our students and faculty have filed 800 patents. Right? We feel very happy when our students get 98% marks. बहुत खुशी होती है. But we feel equally happy if a student who's getting 70% marks joins us and then makes a very good career. सुबह एक वो लड़का आया था alumni मेरे पास बैठा है यहाँ पे. Is he here? The alumni? Sandeep. सुबह एक बच्चा आया morning में. I think that his sister was applying here. If he's there, but maybe later we can tell him that if he can come and he can speak. तो वो ये सुबह हमारे business schools में से एक बच्चा निकला, and I would request him that he should also say a few words maybe later on. So he came, and he said, "Sir, good morning." So I said, "Good morning." He said, "Sir, do you recognize me?" Yes. I said, "Yes, I recognized you." So and he said, "Sir, are you in a rush?" I said, "No. Well, let's speak for 2 minutes." And I asked that where you are working. So he told me that he has started now his business for 1.5 years in business. Before that, he was working with a multinational company. And my simple question was that, can I ask you, how much are you earning? 26-year-old, right? And how much you're earning? And he gave a figure, and I was very happy. Very few in this country are able to earn more than crore rupee a year. And I was very happy that he was doing it. But I was happier when he was giving me and he was showing me the products on his phone. A photograph came, and that was that he was celebrating Mother's Day. So there was a cake in his hand, and he was feeding that to his mother. And he said that, "Sir, are you happy that I am doing well in business?" तो मैंने कहा मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि तुमने बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस अपना स्टार्ट किया, एक अच्छी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी के साथ 2 साल पहले एक्सपीरियंस लिया, एंड नाउ यू आर डूइंग वेल. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर यू. बट मैं ज़्यादा खुश इसलिए हूँ दैट यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग मदर्स डे. दिस इज़ द वैल्यू विच वी गिव इट. ये आप यकीन से मैं कह सकता हूँ कि जो बच्चा जिस माहौल में रहता है वो वही सीखता है. अगर उसने सारी ज़िंदगी एक फैमिली में रह रहा है जिसमें उसने गालियाँ सुनी हैं, एंड दिस आई एम टेलिंग यू विद माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस, उसने सिर्फ गाली सुनी, तो वो बच्चा गाली देना ही सीखेगा, सिर्फ गाली देना ही सीखेगा. लेकिन अगर उसने अपने पेरेंट्स की शालीनता सीखी, इफ़ ही हैज़ सीन दैट हिज फादर वॉज वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुल टू द सोसाइटी, he was giving respect to his father-in-law, he was giving respect to his mother-in-law, he was giving respect to his sister, he was giving respect to his mother, वो बच्चा हमेशा रिस्पेक्टफुल रहेगा. So the second thing where we concentrate in this university is that people should be polite. That when they go into the society, they should be able to give the right respect to the people. हम अपने बच्चों को हंसना सिखाते हैं, हम अपने बच्चों को फिजिकली फिट होना सिखाते हैं. We will give them the presentation that how we do military training camp for them. बहुत strong personality रखते हैं. They are very good speakers. If they will come, they can mesmerize you. They will speak without any slide. They can speak for hours. आपको रुला सकते हैं, इतनी अच्छी प्रेजेंट आपको हंसा सकते हैं. They can become the president of the company. They can run businesses. But when it comes to their family, they know how to balance their lives. And this is what we concentrate at. And that is why we give them 4 mentors. यहाँ पे mentoring system है, बड़ा strong mentoring system है. क्योंकि जब बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है उसको mentoring की ज़रूरत है. क्योंकि हो सकता है कि वो ओपन उससे सवाल पूछना है कि मैं फुटबॉल खेलूँ नहीं खेलूँ, मेरा कैरियर बनेगा फुटबॉल खेलने से कि नहीं बनेगा, मेरे मैथमेटिक्स में मार्क्स कम आ रहे हैं, हाउ विल यू हेल्प मी टू इम्प्रूव माई स्कोर इन मैथमेटिक्स, मेरे नंबर नहीं आ रहे, मेरे समहाउ मेरा स्कोर जो है वो 96 से 76 डाउन हो गया, तो इसका कोई फ़र्क पड़ेगा मेरी लाइफ के ऊपर? नहीं, मेरे को डिप्रेशन हो रहा है, मेरे को कुछ पर्सनल इश्यूज़ हैं, मेरे में चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, सो किसके पास जाए, किससे बात करे वो? सो इन दिस यूनिवर्सिटी वी गिव देम मेंटरिंग, 4 मेंटर्स देते हैं, फैकल्टी मेंटर, student mentor, alumni mentor, and industry mentor. So the personality of the university is a very different personality. We want our children to be groomed in a environment where they get an opportunity to work with the leading brands, where they get an opportunity to be understood. उनको सोचने का तरीका बताते हैं कि सोचना कैसे है, कोई डिफ़िकल्टी आ गई तो क्या करोगे लाइफ में, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई तो उसको फेस कैसे करोगे, सुसाइड करोगे, भागोगे, रिएक्ट करोगे या रिजॉल्व करोगे? सो देयर आर सेशंस वेयर वी से रिएक्ट और रिजॉल्व, कि किसी सिचुएशन में आपको रिएक्ट करना है या रिजॉल्व करना है, तो उनको हमारे बच्चों को रिजॉल्व करना आता है, रिएक्ट करना नहीं आता। दे डोंट रिएक्ट, दे ट्राई टू रिजॉल्व। सिचुएशन मिलती है, रिएक्ट नहीं करते आसानी से रिएक्ट नहीं करेंगे, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न दैट दे आर एक्सीलेंट नेगोशिएटर्स। उनको सिखाते हैं कि कोर्ट रूम में आपको रिएक्ट नहीं करना, आपको रिजॉल्व करना है, एंड दे बिकम वेरी गुड लॉयर्स, दे बिकम वेरी गुड जज। सो द ओवरऑल पेडागॉजी ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. It's a research-driven university. Arts और patents file के. So everything which we teach is based on research. And we also look at that if the word is changing, then how should we change the color of our university? 20 years back when I used to go in the classroom, I used to give a presentation and students used to only copy. सिर्फ copy करते थे. मैं mathematics करता था तो लिखते थे. फिर वो पूछते थे applicability है, मैं applicability समझाता था, वो समझते थे. और उनको नौकरी मिल जाती तो घर चले जाते थे. Today when I go into the class and when I am speaking, right, I see more laptops in front of me. ज़्यादा computers होते हैं और students उनके पीछे छुपे हुए होते हैं. देखो मेरे सामने भी computer है, though I am not using it, but there's a computer. So when a computer is in front of you, you don't know what your child is doing. So I am speaking there, and somehow someone is also checking his Facebook. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, वो कोई आदमी कंप्यूटर अपने फ़ोन पे काम भी कर रहे हैं. So I'm speaking, someone else is working on phone, or someone is working on computer, and maybe that they are checking social sites, right? Someone is checking something else also, and they're also looking at कि ये जो आदमी बोल रहा है ठीक भी बोल रहा है कि नहीं बोल रहा. अगर ये कहता है कि कॉर्नल का डीन जो है वो इंडियन है, वो इंडियन है भी नहीं, तो वो चेक कर रहे हैं, और है प्रोफेसर दत्ता है वहाँ के नहीं. Right? So people are checking it. Whatever you speak, they check data. So your competition is not with the information which you are giving. Earlier we were only giving information and everyone was taking information. Today they are not only taking information, they are challenging that information, they are verifying you. So universities are a point, and most of the youngsters, they come to the universities, they say that they are the hangout points. एक दूसरे से सीखते हैं, experiential learning करते हैं. So this university, we have got a third value, which is international value. Every student who is a part of this university is given an opportunity to go abroad. We have got very strong study abroad program, and the students are given an opportunity to go across the world and see what international values are. And in most of the programs, it's a part of the fee structure. So this is the third value we give. चौथा सवाल कई लोगों ने मेरे से किया था कि यहाँ पे placements कैसी होती हैं, तो मैं उसका जवाब दे रहा हूँ. हम लोग प्लेसमेंट्स प्रोवाइड नहीं करते. मैंने क्या बात कर रहा है, ग्रुप वाइस चांसलर होकर कह रहा है कि हम प्लेसमेंट्स नहीं देते, जबकि प्लेसमेंट्स तो बहुत अच्छी होती हैं इस यूनिवर्सिटी में. देन व्हाई आर यू सेइंग? बट आई एम सेइंग विद ऑल द अथॉरिटी विच आई हैव, वी डोंट प्रोवाइड प्लेसमेंट्स. हम ना प्लेसमेंट्स देते हैं ना हम डिग्री देते हैं. तो लोग कहते हैं क्या बोलता है, ना डिग्री देता है ना प्लेसमेंट देता, तो देता क्या है? आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग, वी डोंट गिव डिग्री, we don't give placements. We tell your children to earn their degrees and to earn their placements. दोनों में फ़र्क है. डिग्री देने और प्लेसमेंट्स देने, प्लेसमेंट अर्न करने में और डिग्री अर्न करने में बहुत फ़र्क है. अगर हम placement देंगे, which most of the universities, they say that we give placements, the child will be getting a salary of 30,000 rupees. If he will earn placement, he will get 70,000 US dollars. दोनों में बहुत फ़र्क है. Placement देना और placement हासिल करने में बड़ा फ़र्क है. So if we say that we are making you capable and you go now and you earn your placement, your child can get 70,000 US dollars as a start. But if we say that we will provide you something, right, he will never be able to earn. Swimming सीखने से पहले उसको धक्का दिया जाता है, जाओ swim करो. अगर हम उसको बहुत देर तक कोच ही करते रहेंगे तो बहुत देर ले लेगा, हो सकता है बहुत टाइम ले ले. लेकिन जो अच्छा कोच होता है वो स्ट्रेन करता है. So we give strain here. And coaching is excellent. And that is the reason that most of the companies who come on the first day for placements in this university, we charge money from them. हम ऐसे नहीं कह देते कि हमारे बच्चे को देख लो आके. Our boys, our girls are not free. You just can't interview them. Right? We have trained them. We have invested our lives for 4 years, for 3 years in them. If you want to see them, if you want to hire them, you need to pay them the right salary. So we will not offer our students to you if you will give peanuts. We will offer them only to the companies if we feel that they are paying the right price to our children. And that is the reason that we are able to get excellent placements for them. A placement मिलती कैसे है? कुछ लोग जो MIT में आ पाएंगे, we are very sure they will make a good career. But this is one of my advice to all parents who are sitting here. हम ज़्यादातर 27 में से एक बच्चा लेते हैं. Out of 27, we pick up 1. And few courses we take out of 15, we pick up 1. But those even who are not able to get placement, my request to you would be that please start focusing on placements and industry interaction from the day one, where your child is doing projects. Semester 1, किस company के साथ interact कर रहा है, right? It's very important. Semester 2, what kind of industry projects they are working at, which kind of companies they are writing critiques, which type of companies they are going and they are writing proposals, which law firms they are working with. Because if they are working with the leading companies, leading attorneys, leading consulting companies, not only in India and abroad, chances are that these companies, these consulting companies, these lawyers, these legal firms, they will pick them up. And if these companies will pick them up, they will give them the good salaries. And that is what we try to do. Rather than sending them for internship projects in the final year, we try to give them the projects right from the first semester. And that is one of the strongest reasons that the students, they are able to get very, very good placements. Another area where we work is that we want that they should work outside the classroom. They should learn in the classroom, but they should also learn outside the classroom. Every Thursday, there are 3 CEOs who come in this very hall and they speak to the students. Students यहाँ बैठते हैं. They ask questions. They ask questions. And the CEOs or leading judges, leading lawyers, leading designers, they reply to them. तो आपके सवाल होते हैं और उनके जवाब होते हैं. For example, the gentleman who's sitting here in gray hair, if I call you here on the stage and we ask you a question that, sir, you need to speak in 5 minutes the summary of your life. Summary of your life, you can. So he will give you summary of his life for 5 minutes, lessons of life, and I can bet on it, and we will call you, sir, sometime. You speak to our students. His 5 minutes will be more valuable than 5 hours lecture. Because in 5 minutes, he will tell the student that this is what I lost, this is what I got in my life. And the students are enriched. And this is how we do it every week we do it. For the fashion students and those